Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bubble Cleanser. First, always begin with a clean, dry face. This ensures the cleanser can work effectively without interference from makeup or dirt. Dispense a small, coin-sized amount of the product into your clean, dry palm. Remember, a little goes a long way with these powerful cleansers. Preparing your skin properly is the first step to a radiant complexion. Once you have the cleanser in your palm, gently spread it across your dry face, avoiding the delicate eye area. You will soon notice a fascinating transformation as the product begins to bubble and foam. This effervescent action is the cleanser activating, releasing oxygen and other beneficial ingredients. Allow it to bubble for about 30 to 60 seconds, letting it work its magic on your skin. After the bubbling has fully developed, gently massage the rich, foamy lather into your skin using light, circular motions. This helps to dislodge impurities and deeply cleanse your pores. Continue massaging for about 1 minute, ensuring all areas of your face are covered. Finally, rinse your face thoroughly with lukewarm water until all traces of the cleanser and foam are completely gone, leaving your skin fresh. Once your face is thoroughly rinsed, gently pat it dry with a clean, soft towel. Avoid harsh rubbing, as this can irritate your skin. Immediately follow up with your preferred toner to balance your skin's pH, and then apply a nourishing moisturizer to lock in hydration. Using Bubble Cleanser regularly can leave your skin feeling incredibly clean, soft, and wonderfully refreshed, ready for the day or night.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.